Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 309 different strategies with 98 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 204 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,015 indicators with 424 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says insanely accurate reversal oscillator. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now in the source video they show a specific indicator and then they make reference to using another indicator with that indicator. And so let's just go ahead and take a look. The indicator they mention in the source video is the multiple non-linear regression indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And it looks like this right here, and it gives us these dots here, red dots and green dots, and according to the source video these can be used as buy signals and sell signals. It then recommends that you pair this indicator with another indicator or indicators and use it in combination with something that can identify the trend. And so I thought what we would do is go ahead and test this as a strategy, and what we'll do is just go ahead and add a standard EMA to the screen, EMA, and it's going to be of course the moving average exponential right here, the one built in to TradingView under the technicals. And so you'll go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, jump into the settings and change the length to 100, and you can do whatever you want with the style to make it easier for you to see. I changed the color to orange and bumped up the line weight a little bit, again just making it a tad bit easier visually. And so what we would be looking for as far as a long trade or a long signal is we're looking for when price is trading above the moving average. And so it can either be trading above for an extended period of time like this and pull back to the moving average, or in this case what I did as well was if price was trading under the moving average and broke above at the same time or relatively close to the same time, that we get a green dot. As long as price is above the moving average when the green dot appears or below when the red dot appears, then that will be our signal to enter into a long or a short. Again, in this case we're looking for a long. Price is trading above the moving average, it pulled back and just kind of bounced along it for a moment, and then we pick up this green dot right here, and at that time you can see that price is trading above that moving average. And so that will be our signal to enter into a long. We'll put our stop right below the moving average, and we will target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. You see pretty quickly we make a nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, again, what we're looking for is price to be trading below the moving average. Again, it can be trading for a while, then pull back, then the push to the downside or the red dot, or it can be trading above and then just as it breaks, we get that red dot. But in this case, it just kind of pulls back, bounces along for a while. It doesn't really make any real good move to the downside, just kind of bounces along this moving average similar to last time. And then we pick up a red dot right here, and price is clearly trading below that moving average. And so that would be our signal to enter into a short. Put a trade right there, put our stop again a little ways above the moving average, and we'll target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades, putting it at a 44% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $11,200 for an overall gain of $2,000. So not a horrible strategy and indicator. Definitely think if you played around with it a little bit more, dialed it in a touch, then it would be able to achieve better profitability and a little bit more returns. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though during the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 12 losing trades, putting it at a 74% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $14,400 for an overall gain of $7,200. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. Now, again, as I've said many times before, this strategy here is more of a trend following strategy, and the Academy of Forex indicator is more of a reversal strategy. And so you could definitely put the two together, catch the reversals and catch the trend, and really maximize your profits. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, which is only $19, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we are keeping track of the trades the Academy of Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we did 7 trades altogether with 6 winning trades and 1 losing trade, putting it at an 85% win rate. Would have been a gain of $2,740. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 losing trade, of course a 0% win rate, and a drawdown of $860. For the week, we would have been up $1,880. And at the 34-week total now, we would have been up $46,490 over 268 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.